If your drawings always look off, or you keep staring at the paper not knowing what to draw, these 5 tips might completely change the way you draw. And no, this isn't just practice more. These are real things beginners ignore that secretly make drawing way harder. Make sure you watch till end for the last tip, it's so important. Tip 1. Find drawing ideas. The biggest reasons people stop drawing is because they think I have no ideas, but artists don't magically get ideas from the sky. Here's the thing, instead of thinking, what should I draw? Think, what do I like? Love cats? Draw different cat poses. Love anime? Draw your favorite characters. Love food? Draw burgers, cakes, or drinks. You can also search things like easy sketch ideas, hand poses, nature references, everyday objects. Save the pictures you like into one folder. Whenever you don't know what to draw, open that folder and start sketching. Remember, every great artist uses references. It's not cheating, it's learning. Tip 2. Make the structure first. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is drawing details first. Instead, start with simple shapes. Use circles, squares, triangles, and lines to build your drawing. For example, if you're drawing a person, first sketch the head as a circle, the body with simple shapes, and the arms with lines. Don't worry if it looks messy. Once the structure looks right, adding details becomes much easier. Think of it like building a house. You build the frame first, then decorate it. Tip 3. Make things bigger. If you're struggling to draw eyes, hands, or faces, draw them bigger. A bigger drawing gives you more room to add details and fix mistakes. Tiny drawings are much harder because every little mistake is easy to notice. Practice on a larger scale first. Once you're comfortable, you can make your drawings smaller later. This simple trick can improve your art much faster. Tip 4. Shade easily. Shading doesn't have to be complicated. First, imagine where the light is coming from. The side facing the light stays lighter. The opposite side becomes darker. Start with very light pencil strokes. Slowly build darker layers instead of pressing hard right away. Leave bright areas white to create highlights. This makes your drawings look more realistic without needing advanced techniques. Tip 5. Practice one thing at a time. Here's a mistake almost every beginner makes: trying to improve everything at once. Instead, focus on just one skill. Today, practice eyes. Tomorrow, practice noses. The next day, practice hands. Improving one skill at a time is much faster than trying to master everything together. Small improvements every day turn into huge progress over time. Those were 5 drawing tips that can seriously improve your art. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy drawing!